So I'm going to go over a full demo of OTR Remote Diagnostics. So let's get started. Right now I'm on the home page where you're able to see your health score, you're able to see all your icons with critical, warning, normal, or offline. So you'll see all your vehicles all in one place. And what's nice about OTR Remote Diagnostics is that you have all your vehicles here on the front page on the dashboard, and then you have this map where you can actually go ahead and search. If you're looking for a specific vehicle, you can go ahead and find the vehicle in the search menu, and it'll find the truck. If you highlight the truck, you're going to see what status it is, as well as also like a highlight of some information. What's nice about OTR Remote Diagnostics is that you get full visibility into any type of active issues for your fleet. So if you have a truck that is giving you some fault codes that are going to derate your trucks, you see that pretty instantly because those would be in the critical status. And so when you're running a fleet, you'll definitely be able to see exactly like certain fault codes triggering certain derates that definitely affect the health score of your trucks and of your fleet. So these are the vehicles that you would want to pay attention to. Now, any vehicles that are offline are going to be in the offline, as well as the GPS location that we've last noticed that. So if you click on offline mode, you'd see that. But the most important thing right now that you would see is that you have all your vehicles in one place and you're able to really get some good insights into what's going on. So let's just go ahead and click on the first truck here, which is truck number 1. We'll go ahead and we see that the truck is actually, once we dive deeper into the vehicle, you'll see that it gives you a vehicle health score. You see all the different lights that are on the dash, which is practically, it says that the check engine light's on and the truck is in derate. And so the vehicle health score is a 20. That's because it has active issues. And here you see all the fault codes that it's active. You'll be able to kind of see the live data that we're capturing right now and see what's going on with the truck. You'll see this data start changing over time. And then you obviously have your quick actions, what you can do remotely. And then you'll be able to see, that this truck is right, what year, make, model, and engine that the truck is in. And you'll be able to see also with the recent commands. If someone does something recently, you'll be able to see what commands were sent recently and then all the vehicle events as well. You'll be able to see that as well. So you'll have a history of different activity here. You'll also be able to track your route history, so you see exactly where the vehicle is, because we do track GPS data with each vehicle. And so you're able to do different functionality with OTR Remote Diagnostics. We give you full capabilities to do a lot of things that practically, the way I would say that OTR Remote Diagnostics is practically a dealer level diagnostic tool embedded inside every truck. And as a fleet manager, you have visibility to be able to do a lot of different things where you would normally need a diagnostic tool to do it. So this is what's awesome about OTR Remote Diagnostics. Now, if you click the activity tab at the top, you see different things in here. We're tracking DPF soot is critical, soot high. We start to alert you when the engine is started, fault code appears and disappears. And so you're able to see exactly what happens in a daily basis, yesterday, today. And so you'll be able to see all this stuff on the activity feed to see what's happening. So we give you really a lot of insight into your vehicles. Especially when it comes to just managing a healthy fleet, you want to understand what's going on with each and every vehicle that's inside your fleet. Now we have the health tab, which practically just tells you what you need to look out for. If it's recommended to a regen, you'll have that insight here. You'll be able to see all your active fault codes and inactive fault codes on your truck. Now again, this is the same as if a dealer were to connect to your truck with a diagnostic scan tool. This is the type of level of fault code insights that we want to give you. And we do that here. We tell you which module it's coming from. We give you insight on the data as well. So if you have a derate of something specific, we tell you what it is. If you click on it, the fault code, we give you a description, symptom, troubleshooting information. So you'll be able to make a good determination of what to do with that truck. Can that truck continue to make it to its destination? Do I need to get the truck towed? Do I need to run a force regen? Do I need to reset the codes? You'll be able to make those type of, just have that knowledge so you're able to make a good decision of what to do with your fleet. Now, if you go to live data, you'll be able to see a lot of different metrics here for your vehicle. Again, this is a lot of it is tied to your vehicle, your engine RPM, your speed, your engine load, coolant temp, fuel level, battery voltage, your speed, what's your cruise speed at, what's your vehicle speed at, what's your vehicle limit speed, you got your fuel level, DF level, coolant level, DF quality, DF temp, your idle fuel. You'll see temperatures, your charge air temperature, EGR temperature, your ambient temp, your boost pressure, your turbo position. And what I like to see in the after treatment system area is like you got different derates, and it tells you at what level does what. So practically, like for this truck, we have DF level is low, so your actually inducement is level 3, and your 55 miles is the max speed that this truck can go. So obviously, you have this insight as a fleet manager to understand what's going on with your trucks at all times. So you get an alert, especially if a truck goes in derate, you get an alert instantly. Your driver doesn't have to tell you, you already know, because you get that notification and you obviously see everything in real time. And what's nice about this is you're able to take action. You're able to see what's going on with your truck, because this level of detail is really, really helpful to see as a fleet manager. You'll see your DF level. Obviously, it's at 10%. You know that there's an issue. You see your soot level. You see your DF quality. You see your SCR efficiency. You see your DPF pressure. So pretty much, if you're someone who wants to dive in and really see what's going on with your truck, you practically have visibility to do everything all remotely. So here, if you type in commands, you'll see here where you can execute, you can reset your fault codes. For instance, we're connected to a Detroit diesel DD15 engine, so you'll see some other commands in there with DPF ash accumulator, reset the SCR accumulator. We were able to start a forced DPF regen, and you're able to start a forced SCR efficiency regen. So some of these regens, so for instance, like the forced SCR efficiency regen, if you have a NOx related fault code, it does require you to run a forced DPF regen and then run a SCR regen right after that. So a lot of times certain fault codes require you to do certain regens in order for you to reset a derate. And what's nice about OTR Remote Diagnostics is it gives you the capabilities to do that all remotely. So if we go ahead and execute a forced DPF regen, we're checking the vehicle status. Is the key on, engine at idle, vehicle stopped, in neutral, parking brake set. Obviously it's ready to start regen. So we confirm that everything's in a safe location to start regen. We hit start regen. The moment you hit start regen, you'll actually see the RPM start to rise. That's how you know it's in regen. As you start to see the RPM rise, you start to see your exhaust temperatures get hotter. And you also start to see your DPF soot level start to decrease over time. Now, it's going to take a little bit of time for the temperatures to rise, but ideally you should see the temperatures start rising, and as long as the RPM stays high, the truck's in regen. And you'll start to see that because we give you feedback on if the truck's still in regen or not. And you'll start to see things like your NOx values, you see your inlet PPM, your outlet PPM value, you see your SCR efficiency percentage, you'll see your soot level, your DPF pressure, your turbo position, you'll see your DEF system as well. You'll start to get EGR values. Ideally, we're trying to give you as much information as possible so that way you're able to fix the truck remotely. That's our idea, is that like if a truck's having issues and you need to run that truck and you need to do a regen remotely, you're capable to do that. And that's what OTR Remote Diagnostics does, is it equips you with extreme, like a lot of detail, a lot of information, so that way you're able to get that truck back to the destination. Or honestly, it probably just needs to do a regen, and then all the faults clear, and then that truck's ready to go. That you kind of save a shop visit. And a lot of times it saves a load from, you're having to deal with the truck going into the repair shop, finding a dealership, finding time, spending the driver to have to stay somewhere overnight. And a lot of times the frustration comes not just necessarily that the truck broke down, but the fact that it takes a long time for you to even get into a facility just for them to run a regen, reset the codes, and then you're on your way. And so this is going to save a lot of time and a lot of effort, and just pretty much as a fleet manager, it gives you peace of mind because you're able to do something about the situation. And then the next thing I'm going to go over is just report. And so you're able to pretty much create a report of where things stand with OTR with your truck. So you're able to create a quick vehicle diagnostic report, and then this practically just gives you a snapshot of everything going on with your truck. So if you click print report, you can print it, you can save it off, and it gives you kind of all the information in here. so you're able to share it as well if you want to do that. Now, what's nice about OTR Remote Diagnostics is we also are able to go into your fleet health, and practically if you click the fleet health tab, you're able to see kind of everything, all the trucks that have an issue. And so it pretty much just highlights all the trucks that are having issues and pretty much gives you a more targeted list in regards to like clicking in there to see exactly what's wrong with each truck. Now, as a fleet, there's a lot of things you want your OTR Remote Diagnostic solution to be configured for you. So for instance, in our settings, we have geofencing capabilities where you can create your own geofence. If a truck enters or leaves a certain area, you get notified and it logs it to the activity of the vehicle. And so you can set up your geofencing right inside of OTR Remote Diagnostics. It's very easy to do. You have different types of terminals, different types of address, the radius, and you can go ahead and select that and configure it accordingly. You have notifications. So if you have stoplight alert, low fuel alert, low DEF alert, critical severity alert, a vehicle went offline alert, you can set up different alerts for different configurations so that way you can get a notification when something happens. So if a truck is low on batteries, low on fuel, you can get an alert, and so you know it's like, hey, if I want to monitor all my batteries on all my trucks, so if my truck's battery goes at a certain voltage, I know what's going on, so I make sure that I don't have a no start condition. Or if a truck runs out of DEF fluid or out of fuel, I get an alert to alert the driver to take action. We have health alerts. So different health alerts can be custom as far as in regards to if you want critical alerts, warning alerts, or informational alerts. We have different settings here where you can configure, and we can have custom alerts as well. So you can type in entering a custom alert if you want your monitor your coolant temperature. If you want to put that, if like coolant temperature rises above 200 degrees Fahrenheit, you can technically create an alert to say, hey, my truck's overheating. I want to know. I want to set up an alert in regards to that. So you can go ahead and preset your health alerts the way you want it. And we even have here the way we calculate health score is calculated. Each vehicle starts at 100 and points are deducted based on active issues detected by OTR Remote Diagnostics. So here we kind of explain to you exactly like how we classify these type of health score, how your health score is calculated, so you just have visibility into what it means, and so you have some knowledge in regards to that. We have different team members here get different access, different levels of access. So here we have a mechanic, drivers, a fleet manager, you have commands enabled, you also have commands disabled, and then you have different monitors where different type of people can monitor different type of vehicles. So we can go ahead and configure this the way we want to configure it. And so that way you have more flexibility into configuring OTR Remote Diagnostics to, if you want your drivers to have access to it, if you want your fleet managers to have access to it, if you want your mechanics to have access to it, we have this configured so you can use OTR Remote Diagnostics however you wish. And then here it's just your own account. We have a demo account here, but it's practically just some account information. So here we kind of just went through the settings of OTR Remote Diagnostics and how this can help equip your fleet with just more capabilities. So what's nice about OTR Remote Diagnostic module is that we built this module in-house. We've spent over 5 years building this technology so that way we can deploy it and we can do things the correct way. Now, this hardware is our own hardware. The Remote Diagnostic module is our own that we built here at OTR Performance, and the way it works is it plugs into your diagnostic port. Once it's plugged in, it's automatically connecting, and then we set up some automatic configuration so that we have each module programmed for each truck. Now, we just went over everything related to OTR Remote Diagnostic module and the OTR Remote Diagnostic setup. You can now be able to reset your fault codes, you'll be able to reset your derates, you'll be able to send a force DPF region or any type of specialty region all remotely from your desktop. If you'd like to learn more about OTR Remote Diagnostics, you can visit otrperformance.com or give us a call to learn more.